is up, YouTube? Today, um, daily affirmations. I am a profitable trader. I am a profitable trader, actually. Oh, who me? Yeah, I'm a profitable trader, actually. So, basically, logged our trade because we took a trade today. Started this a little while back, not too date. Actually, we just logged. This is two trades. I actually started this not too long ago. Backstory: I've been doing this for 3 years. Or I just learned about it for 3 years since I was actually 13. Because I'm a profitable day trader now. Come on, like come on. Since I was like 13 or something. Just really been checking out the markets. Just basically live. I basically live for these markets, man. It's whatever, I guess. But we did hit a trade, and we're gonna recap it. We're gonna see what we did wrong, and we're gonna just document the journey. Cause eventually we're gonna get rich off this. Bank, come on, man. I mean, we're already rich off this, but we're gonna get even more rich. Pay some bills. You know what I'm saying? Come on, cause we're already super, super, super duper rich and abundant. Have too much money for our own good. You know what I'm saying? Like we're just the best ever, really. It's like a curse. It's like a curse that we're just so good at trading. Because it's just so much money and you don't even know. We're gonna get to that point. We're gonna we're gonna get to that point. Uh, two phones because we're profitable traders. Two phones because we're profitable traders. Okay. Well, I'm excited about today, but as a trader, emotions don't care, man. I'm just excited that I'm gonna document this journey, and whoever wants to come along this journey with me is more than welcome to. Sorry, I'm not gonna edit this either. I'm too busy. I'm too busy of a person, actually. I'm too busy checking the markets, basically making the market my bitch. I don't make the markets make me. But I forgot to say white shit. I'm messing up the signs, and I forgot it. She's like, "What's your favorite movie?" And I'm not a movie person. I can't lie. I don't watch movies that much anymore. Not anymore. But sorry. So see, look, that's like proof. Okay. So I was on the clear because there's different. I only do NAS 100 US 30. Actually, I haven't checked up. See, look, this is why we don't do these choppy ass markets. Look at this piece of garbage. Oh, I would have bought here. I can't lie to you. I can't lie to you. And that's a part of the strategy. Like I would have bought here. I'm being so real. I would have bought there. That's what the strategy is all about. But this is such a messy pair. I was like, nah, I'm not gonna. I mean, look at how disgusting this disgusting fucking pair is. Look at how disgusting it is. It's honestly just nasty to look at. It pisses me off just looking at it. I'm joking, by the way, but over here it's nice, clean, sexy, smooth. I love it. I love it. So over here I'll just delete this. I'll tell you what I was thinking. So uh, don't mind me. Just deleting, just deleting, just deleting, just deleting. Oh, I gotta text the huzz back. I'm playing. Trading comes first. Okay. Yeah, I actually broke up with my now ex to focus on trading. Believe it or not. Believe it or not, this is how bad I want it. All right. No more puss for more money. Okay. You understand sacrifices? Wolf of Wall Street. You know the guy. I'm like that guy now. All right. Damn. Okay. So pretend this big move. Oh, you might have heard that. That's her. That's her. That's the new head. Sorry. That's the meantime was. You know what I'm saying? Okay, but as you can see, I marked this zone out because it's the closest high. It would have been stupid to mark this out because it's just like, why would price come all the way up here? I mean, it's just so overbought. I don't necessarily see it coming over here. And also there's just look at this respect that it has. I mean, look, you could always adjust it, but look, I marked it out here because there's okay. Wait, sorry, I don't know why I'm pointing at my thing, but look, one wick, two wick, and then wick, another wick. So this is just such a strong zone. And if price were to come here rushing up like this, pretend this is a can. If it was to come like that, I would have bought because, you know, obviously price is gonna go up if it's such a nice move and such a nice breakout, sexy breakout. Like come on, are you kidding me? And then I mark this area out. Don't like ask me why. Like come on, like tell me you don't see this. Tell me you don't see this sexy, sexy, respective line right here. Look. Oh yeah, that's what we love to see. So, so look, just 1, 2, 3, 4. Like, oh my gosh, it's so hot. And then go over here. It's the same thing. One, and then another one. And then I was like, damn, I'm marking this. I'm gonna mark this area out. I just marked 2 things out. And then I use the fact that, like, look at this. Look at this. Look, grain, 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 grain. Like, come on, like. Gotta give market a break, it can't just keep like, pushing out these nice green moves, you know what I'm saying? It's like come on, bro. So I was like, I'm gonna mark this zone out because it's nice, and if it breaks out, I'm gonna buy. And then I bought right over here because market, like, I hate getting manipulated, you know what I'm saying? Like I've been manipulated so many times, not by the market, but just tired of it, I hate it when that happens, and just a nice confirmation to make me more comfortable about the trades if I just enter here, because if I enter exactly here and the price just comes and screws me over and then it goes like all the way up here, I get stopped out, and I don't like that. I don't like that, to be honest. So I just waited, and then price just it went down so quick, and then I was lucky enough to buy, and as you can see, this is a demo account. Don't give me shit for it. Hold on. Um, This is a demo account, okay? I've traded with real money before, alright? I'm not an idiot, okay? Been doing this shit for 3 years. What's it called? I found this, what's it called? Demo, no, I found this funded account journey. I need to get the account up to 500. Just kind of testing waters out. I'm trying to use that to fund another account. Like with the money I get, I'm gonna fund it with more, so that I have my own capital to trade with. Not that I didn't have it, but with shit in school and all that, uh, I had to, you know, just like sorry, getting distracted. Just so handsome. Not only am I a 16-year-old day trader, profitable, but I'm also handsome. Also big muscles too. I'm playing, but that was the trade we took, and I'm gonna be real with you guys. I have lost. I lost 140 this day, but I think that's when I was with my girl. Come on, bro. Trading is something you have to be fully, fully locked in on. Okay, I was locked in on this trade. That's why I won it. Okay. You think I was thinking about girls? You think I was thinking about some stupid friggin' other thing? No, my mind's on the charts. Say it with me, daily affirmations. We are profitable traders. Okay, we are profitable traders. But we did. Oh my gosh, sorry. But we did end up losing a little bit. Oh, well, right here, I did buy 2 contracts because I messed it up. The fucking lot size, I messed it up. And but it's alright. I'll take that 102. Is a win. Is a win in my eyes. I wasn't supposed to be trading. Like it's a holiday, Memorial Day. Thank you to those who have thank you for your service. And but I still decided to trade because I wanted to practice more, and that's kind of where we're at right now. I'm gonna upload this to YouTube, and it's gonna be quite a journey. And the goal is when I'm freaking even richer than I am already with my demo account, I'm gonna look back and be like, damn, I'm a freaking G. And then I'm gonna make a bunch of courses, and people are gonna buy it. And I'm gonna put you all onto the sauce, and we're all gonna get rich together. And you just have to pay $10 to get rich, because you gotta, in order to buy the lottery, you have to spend money to make the ticket. You know what I'm saying? You gotta make money to buy the ticket is what I meant. To make money, you gotta spend money. You just can't live some cheap lifestyle. Take it from me, man. All right, take it from a 16-year-old profitable trader. this advice is worth it. Okay, we are gonna make it. Me with my husband and whoever's watching this, whoever it is. Uh, on a real note, I'm doing this to prove to myself that I can do it. I'm not gonna drop out school because that's like stupid. But I'm gonna use this to help the fam out. You know what I'm saying? Help out whoever, do some nice charity work and stuff of that nature. Because when you come from nothing, you want to help out. You know what I'm saying? So this trading journey is gonna be nice and fun. This is like an introduction video. It's not always gonna be like this. I'm not gonna edit this either. So if you stay to the end watching this, I really appreciate you. And so if you're a girl, hit me up on Snap, Loki. Just comment your Snap down in the comments. Not saying like, not saying like. But yeah, never trade and forget. Never set and forget. This is, oh, I actually have this thing. It's actually kind of like secret sauce, but I'll share it with you guys because why not? Actually, I don't know. You're gonna have to pay me $10 for the screenshot, so I'm just gonna read it off of my computer. Very serious. Okay, so rule number one, rested and ready. You have to come to the market well rested, Trading tired, distracted, or you're emotionally weak, don't even fucking log onto the charts. What are you doing? You're just wasting your money, you idiot. Number two, log in around at 8:15 a.m. Like, come on, like before markets open, like New York session 9:30 if you're EST. I don't know what else, other time zone, CDT. Like, I don't freaking know. Like, you determine the market's bias. You know what I'm saying? Like, is it gonna go up? Is it gonna go down? Like, where's it gonna go? You gotta, if there's a trend line and it's obvious, draw it. Don't be forcing it. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't be forcing your strategies and more like it, because not everyone's gonna use the same strategy. Oh, I don't know how. Well, actually, I used to trade supply and demand. It got me only so far. You also have to clear your mind. You have to relax. It's like trading is 25% mental, 75%. Oh wait, no, 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 no. Sorry, 75% mental, 25% strategy. Like strategy is not the hardest part. It's your mind that's the hardest part. You gotta conquer that. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on. Like, if a 16-year-old could do it, you can obviously do it. Like, come on, not play. But uh the market execution, you know what I'm saying? Like, wait for nice confirmations with your strategy. Wait for nice, just, price has to show you that it's going to do what you believe it's going to do based on strategy. And what I did, you got to prioritize the cleaner pyramid, you know what I'm saying? It has to respect, like, whatever you're doing, whatever your thing is. You need to set good stop losses and all that. And after, you need to reflect, okay? Whether if it's a loss, you're going to lose. You're going to lose. I've lost, okay? Not only trading, but I've lost, okay? I've lost. You're gonna lose, okay? But it's okay, because you learn from it. It's not a loss if you lose, because it's a win, because you're gonna take something out of it. You have to mark it. You have to trade it. You have to journal it, okay? A trader who reflects and refines is gonna win over the one who just trades and forgets, man. So that's where I leave you guys today. Do you want to be the trader that looks up to other traders and say, when is it going to be my time? Or are you going to be the one that makes the move? I don't know. Come on, bro. Okay. This is going to be fun. I'm having too much fun with this. I'm going to look back at this. I'm going to be so rich. That's the goal, baby. That's the goal. Swimming my way to the money. Alright. Goodbye, YouTube.